Hi and welcome to another Type with Me. In today's video I want to talk about the CSS Host Context. It's a pseudo class that you can use within Angular to theme your components and to bring your styling of your theming closer to your components themselves and get rid of app styling, for example, when you have .dark C button, for example, and then blah 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 to style your components within a global CSS. Well, we get rid of that and we have better maintainable code next to your component itself. So I created an application here, and one of the things that you need to know is that it's a very easy application. It has a box element where we will put a class on top of it if it's light or if it's dark. We can very easily do that with the this.renderer add class or remove class, where we add an is light or is dark. Then we very easily toggle with it. We have a C button that we want to style specifically. For example, one of the things that we have is like right here, C button. One of the things that you would do, for example, when you would have global styling, you would do something like this dot is dark, and then dot C button, and then you would have something like this, background color, and you would do it black, and then the color itself would be white, for example. Well, something that we want to get rid of, but I'm just going to show you how this looks like when you have this kind of code, right? All right, so when we now go to our body app div right here, and we toggle is dark, you see here that we have is dark, and don't know why color is not working. Just need to check. Well, that's because here we already have a color defined, right? So that could already be some kind of a problem. Then you need to put something like this, important, and then yeah, you will override it, but that's not good. So you will see when you are using global styles that you will have a lot of importance as well on top of your theming, which is not good. So one of the reasons we need to get rid of this, right? So let's see how to do this. So first of all, I want to get rid of this, right? So I'm going to remove this. And we're going to this file, and I'm going to add a styling like this, right? So we have our host context. This is our pseudo class selector that I was talking about. And you have always some kind of a class that you need to specify, which is on the parent level, right? And then we have our C button here with the specific styling that we want, right? Of course, we can still have our color 111. So I'm going to save that, and we're going to see how this looks like. Right, so if we now toggle, you see here that we toggle is dark, is light, is dark, is light. If I refresh and I toggle again, you see here that we can get is dark and we get is light, right? And you see here that our host context is winning from our C button, right? One of the things that I want to test out is if I put C button on top, would it then still be a problem or not? So let's test this out. So now I brought C button on top. And now we toggle our component, and you see we don't have any problem. So if you have other components that need to be themed from dark theme or light theme, well, this is the way to do so. I'm going to apply this to a lot of components that we have, so that our code gets better and we get more maintainable code. But I think it's a great trick that I didn't or was not aware of, that you could use that in Angular, but I think it's a very great one. So I hope you also liked it, and that you're also going to use this this trick, and that maybe you can have an added value towards your code within Angular, right? On the Angular application, you see some great explanation about what the host context is. I also are going to apply or set a link towards this page within this video, so that you very easily can go and take a look at it. It's great to have some kind of an explanation there as well. So thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you soon.